Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a topic that might be uncomfortable for some people, but it's crucial for maintaining good health. We're going to discuss whether you're cleaning your male reproductive system correctly. Firstly, it's essential to understand why it's crucial to clean your male reproductive system correctly. The penis and scrotum are prone to bacterial and fungal infections, which can cause unpleasant odors, discomfort, and even serious health problems if left untreated. Keeping your male reproductive system clean and dry is the best way to prevent these issues. Now, let's discuss the steps you should follow to clean your male reproductive system correctly. Start with warm water. It's important to use warm water when cleaning your genital area. Avoid using hot water, which can cause irritation or even burn the delicate skin. Use mild soap. Use a mild, unscented soap that's gentle on the skin. Avoid using harsh soaps or body washes that can irritate the skin or cause allergic reactions. Clean the penis and scrotum. Use your hands to lather the soap and gently clean the penis and scrotum. Be sure to clean the entire area, including the foreskin if you're uncircumcised. Rinse thoroughly. Rinse your genital area thoroughly with warm water to remove all the soap residue. Dry off. Gently pat your genital area dry with a clean, dry towel. Make sure you dry off completely, especially in the folds of the skin where moisture can accumulate. Cleaning your male reproductive system correctly is crucial for maintaining good health and preventing infections. Remember to use warm water, mild soap, and thoroughly rinse and dry your genital area. We hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content.